Hello, my name is Brittany Burgett, and today I'm going to be sharing with you about digital citizenship, specifically what it is, why we should teach it to our students, and how we can teach it to our students. So let's start with the definition. What is digital citizenship? According to the Digital Citizenship Institute, digital citizenship is defined as the norms of appropriate, responsible behavior with regard to technology use. In other words, digital citizenship is using the internet, including full to the user. Pinpointed 9 are digital communication, digital law, digital security. These 9 areas are involved as digital commerce off of Amazon when agree with it and out at that person or communicating, and also digital not sharing and make need to focus on students digital. Let's talk about citizenship. 4 reasons digital citizen. There are, and I encourage some research and that you should teach about the 4 reasons citizenship. So the first reason, technology in their everyday. Most of them, such as Chrome, students use technology. If our students use it responsibly to themselves without intending to. When students begin to leave adults, but that's something on the internet. Students share now come back to hurt them. Hackers and criminals that our students know. Cyberbullying is, and our students to information about the dangers, not just scare them on how can people who days of conducting copies of books going to use the internet. It is important as a reliable, not only in conducting, it is a skill knowing what sources are not. In today's societal conversation, what news and what are not. After use school purposes to information, how to digital source and what double source, what digital and why. Let's talk and teach digital. Now, I think with citizenship in your can teach. I encourage you about digital citizenship and a method that teacher and the group and the student. But for now, just teach digital citizenship. One way is there are so many can use on this as an entire that and other lesson. But another and of information is I found this PowerPoint like Brain Pop. There are reasons why you should teach ways that you can digital citizenship utopia. If none of you can find it on, so you can create your own. A great way digital citizenship is BL way that really solve these rules to their life. Some lesson is can do research at what cybersex people stop cyberbullying. Their lesson idea is a digital footprint. How and why they should of being and to come there and create. So these are just plans, but the plus endless when you're something that's applicable to get for everyday life. So the last of ship in our classroom, our students do this by creating their own classroom, how to behave, be a good way to model on social media to share. It's that much that could go social networking, such negative this can be shared. And I think that see a lot about why. So I think this is a great for students that social and so this is a really healthy so this liked in doing to help creating by networking and blog much. Take control of their own. So it also makes me don't students how to digital. Someone else is going to show it how not, and they're going. So I really think educators should be students, especially digital citizenship. And last, but these are all of, and I hope I citizenship in your classroom.